In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control microphone access in Brave on PC. Whether you're protecting your privacy or making sure your favorite meeting app works smoothly, knowing where these settings live and what they do will save you a lot of guesswork. Start by opening Brave on your computer. Click the menu and go to Settings. In the sidebar, select Privacy and Security, then choose Site and Shield settings. From there, click Microphone. This is the central place where you control how websites can access your mic. You'll see options that set the default behavior for all sites, along with tools to fine-tune exceptions for specific websites, and a drop-down to pick which microphone Brave should use by default. For default behavior, allow sites to ask means you won't be recorded automatically. Brave will prompt you the first time a site wants your microphone. This is a good balance of convenience and control. If you prefer maximum privacy, choose to block all microphone access. With that set, sites won't be able to use the mic at all unless you add exceptions. You can also maintain a short list of sites that are allowed or blocked, which is handy if you frequently use video calls or voice recording tools. Keep that list lean so you always know who has access. While you're on this page, choose your default device. If your computer has more than one microphone, like a built-in laptop mic and a USB headset, use the drop-down to select the one you actually want Brave to use. This prevents confusing moments in calls where people can't hear you because the browser picked the wrong input. If you switch gear often, revisit this setting to confirm the right device is selected. You can also manage permissions on the fly for a specific site. With the page open, click the lock icon next to the website address in the address bar. Look for microphone in the Site Permissions panel, then set it to Allow, Block, or Ask. After changing a permission, refresh the page so the new setting takes effect. This is especially useful when you trust one site with your mic but don't want to change your global defaults. That's it. By setting your default behavior, choosing the correct device, and using the lock icon for site-by-site control, you'll have full command over microphone access in Brave on your PC. If something isn't working as expected, double-check your selection and refresh the page to apply changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a safer, smoother browsing experience.